So we're here now at the High Grove here at Periveo. So this is one of the 4 communities that we are offering here. So come. So ang kagandahan po dito sa Periveo, unlike other subdivisions, other projects, per lot po natin wala pong naka-allocate na specific unit. So what that means is that mamimili lang kayo ng lote, then if you'd like a house constructed on it, you will choose from our 6 units to choose from. Halika. So again, currently we are offering 6 unit types. So that is Mira, Lana, and Erin. So those are the first 3 units that we are offering here at Periveo. So you can see it here at my back. So yan po yung mga model unit po natin. Then we recently launched 3 new models. So that is Daphne, Eva, and Lauren. So yan po. Come. So again, ang mangyayari lang po dyan, if you'd like to avail of a unit here, mamimili lang kayo ng lote. Let's say you'd like this lot. Then you will choose from our 6 units kung ano ang gusto nyo pong itayo dyan. So medyo flexible po yung choices po natin. Unlike po ng iba na if you'd like a specific type of unit, there are specific lots allocated to that. So dito naman po, hindi po. Mamimili lang kayo ng lote, then mamimili po kayo ng unit na gusto nyo pong itayo. So again, this is our 3 model units. So ito po yung una nating in-offer here at the High Grove. So this is Mira. This is the biggest one. The floor area of this is 139 square meter. So for the Mira model, I forgot to mention, lahat po ng lots po natin dito is minimum is 156. So medyo malalaki po ang lot cuts po natin here. So it can go higher, depende na lang po sa preference po ninyo sa lote na gusto nyo pong i-purchase. Po. So 156, tapos mamimili na lang po kayo kung anong klase ng unit po na gusto nyo pong itayo. So this is the Mira model, 139 square meter. Each of our units has a minimum of 2-car garage. Yan po. So, ikot muna tayo here bago tayo pumasok. So, minimum setback of our units is a minimum of 2 to 3 meters po. So, yan. So, galing kayo ng garage po ninyo, pwede kayong dumaan muna here. Kasi po, nandito po yung auxiliary kitchen area po ninyo. So, kung may mga dala kayong mga groceries like mga isda na gusto nyong linisin muna, kaliskisan bago ipasok doon sa kitchen area po ninyo, pwede nyo muna siyang dalhin here. Or, you can convert this into a washing area. No? So, dito naman ang access po ninyo to the inside of your unit. This is the back door. No? So, pag nakapaglinis na po kayo dyan ng mga kung ano man, pwede na po kayong pumasok here. Now, so meron naman po tayong another room here. So itong pintuan naman na po ito, this is an extra room. So you can either use this as a storage or a room for your maid or your driver. Kasi po meron na po siyang sariling toilet and bath. So this room po is not accessed inside po. So kung meron mang titira dito, meron pa rin po silang privacy. Then we have here Dilanay area. So dito po, pwede po kayong mag-set up ng outdoor seating like this one. Then meron po tayong sliding door here. So pwede niyo po itong buksan para parang extension po of your living area. Come. So umikot na po tayo. Let's go inside the unit. Entry po natin is electronic. Po. So disclaimer lamang po, ito pong nakikita po natin, this is a model unit. So model unit meaning meron na pong mga improvements na ginawa dito sa unit po na ito. At yung mga furnitures at saka appliances is hindi po kasama sa package natin. Later, when we check the other unit, which is the Erin, makikita po ninyo yung actual deliverables ng unit po natin. Okay. Go. So, open layout po siya. So, you can have the living room there. Then, the dining room here. Then, we have the kitchen area here. Yan. So, since open layout po siya, maluwag po siya tingnan. Po. So, dito naman sa side po na natin, makikita po natin yung room 1. So, this could be either a guest room or you could designate this as a room for maybe an elderly na ayaw ng umakyat panaog. So, pwede nyo pong ibigay sa kanila itong room na ito dahil katabi lang naman po nito, meron na po tayong toilet and bath. Yan. So, akyat po tayo, no? So, kung mapapansin po ninyo, malalaki po ang windows natin here. So, what that does is that it helps na magkaroon ng natural lighting sa loob ng unit po natin at makatulong na rin po sa ventilation. So, making the unit much more cooler, much more lit. Kumbaga. No? So, Mira has 4 bedrooms po. So, we already checked the room 1 doon sa baba. So, here naman po ang room 2. Yan. So this is room 2. Then we have a common toilet and bath here that room 2 and room 3 can share. Complete na rin naman po yung ating bathroom fixtures. Then this would be room 3. Yan po. So let's say may children po kayo na magkapatid, so you can allocate this to them. Then, this is the master's bedroom. Yan po. Maluwag po yung master's bedroom po natin. And one unique feature about the master's bedroom po is ito lang po yung room na merong ensuite toilet and bath. So, meron siyang sariling toilet at bath and meron po siyang walk-in closet. Ayan. This is the toilet and bath area. Dual na rin ng sink for the wife and the husband. And dito lamang po sa master's bedroom ang access natin sa balcony. Yan. Come. So yan po. So check nyo po, napaka-aliwalas, napaka-peaceful ng area po natin here. So give it, I don't know, 3 to 5 years, puro puno na po tayo here. I forgot to mention, Ang isa pa pong special feature po ng mga lots natin here at Periveo is that the developer will plant at least 2 to 3 trees per lot. So makikita po ninyo pag dating ng panahon, puro puno na po tayo dito, puro greeneries, napakaaliwalas po ng area po natin. So yun po. So this is Mira. So again, this is a model unit. So sa model unit po natin, included po dyan yung mga improvements, furnishings, and whatnot. So, ang deliverables po natin, makikita po natin later sa Erin model. Pero if nagustuhan po ninyo tong specific unit na ito, let's say you need something na malilipatan agad na ready for occupancy, this is actually available for sale as of writing or as of speaking or as of now. So, if you're interested for that, kindly let me know. So, yun. So, I hope to see you on site. So, on my next video, I'm going to show you the 2 other models, namely Lana and Erin. So, yun lang. Bye!